Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do a simple little alignment. Even though I would suggest you take your vehicle to a wheel alignment place where they have a lasered machine that will make it precise and precision. So the tires are expensive, they're not cheap. Some of the cars have like an ear and all over the tires, Michelin's, and I did change a rack and pinion to this tire rods, so alignment is out of whack. So I'll put this string on because I just want to make it as straight as possible so the customer can drive from point A to point B without the car just swerving to the right, to the left. A lot of countries, if you're in a foreign country, they don't have machines and you need to do alignment, they do it this way. So if you need to do it like this, just to get around, perfect thing you could do, okay? All you need is a roll of string like this. Doesn't have to be this particular roll. I'm sorry, I was just checking something. But it could be anything, a string type. So I'm gonna back up and I'm gonna show you where I tied it from where to where. I did the same thing on the opposite side with this. First thing you're gonna do is make sure your steering is nice in the center. Make sure it turns both ways. Let's say 1.5 turn, 2 turns, or 2 turns. And bring it back to the center. Make sure it's nice and centered. And lock it up. Have somebody either hold it for you, or you could use this seat little trick here. What I did was put the seat belt right through it and it locks up right there. Okay, so I tied it right there, and I'm gonna grab this whole roll. I'm gonna make it go right through the center of the wheel. Let me put this here so I could cross this lift, and we are gonna put this right here. You see the difference? You see the difference? All right. Usually I look straight from here. I don't even put the string on, but just to show and tell you guys, you see the difference there? Look at the back tire and look at the front tire. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just tie it right there to that control arm. So I'm doing the same thing on this side, just like I did on that side. We're gonna take this little guy, I'm gonna put it here so I can cross on the other side, and I am gonna try to get this little guy to sit properly first so I don't have to come back to this side. And right there's good. Okay, hopefully it doesn't fall. So let's cross to the other side. We already got this side set up. As you can see, look at the gap. Look at the gap. The whole camera goes right through. All right, so there's the gapping. That's how much of a difference in alignment is. I did the whole rack, so everything is crazy and off. So just to get it to safe, to drive around for a few days, a lot of countries that do it like this, they don't have machines. And on this side, you could clearly see this side tire, it shows you, and that's what this shows you. So you see that curvature there? It has to slightly just touch it and pass right by it. You cannot push that angle, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing here. I did tie on that side over here, so I'm gonna do the same thing here. Okay, so we're on the driver's side first. As you can see, look at the slack between the tire and this wheel. All right, just to confirm it, check it, you can just yank on the string a little bit, just make it nice and tight. So what I need to do is I need to undo a couple of probably 4 threads so the toe from here can go in and the rear end of the wheel can come out. So what we're gonna need is this is a Honda Accord, so it's a common on Honda Accord. So right down here you have your tie rods. All right, so I'm right down here. As you can see, I replaced the rack, new rack right there, and new tie rod. So everything is out of whack. So first, what I'm gonna do is I am gonna loosen up that bolt on the tie rod, the nut. Okay, so once you loosen that up, so what I want to do is I want to bring a couple of threads out, but if you wanted to bring a couple of threads in, you would have to make this screw go a little further. Pay attention to this. As this turns, this might want to like crumble up, so we don't want that either. So you can take this little guy off and straighten it up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is usually just pay attention to which way it goes. Let's make this come close, and I just want to see which way it's going. So there you go, it's opening up. As it opens up, the front is gonna go in and the back is gonna come out. So do few threads. I remember when I put this tie rod in, I counted 17 threads came out, and 17 turns, and I put 17 in. And also make sure, I forgot one thing, make sure your steering is nice and straight. Okay, I locked it up. Have somebody either hold it, I'll show you at the end, or just have somebody hold it for you. Or you see that? Much better, much better. So now all I have is a little bit of slack. Okay, that's all I got, a little bit of slack. So probably 3 more turns. Okay, that looks good. I am sending this customer to get alignment, but I do want this thing to be straight because he's driving about 20 miles from here to his house, and he's not gonna get alignment right away. He's gonna wait a few days. So now look at that, I can't even get my wrench through, and probably a few more turns. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6. So 17 minus 6, that's about 11. 11, yeah. So 11 threads, that's common. Usually I take off 12. So there you go. I can probably, no, I want it to be below this because I don't want it to hit the body. So let's go below a little bit. So I'm not gonna go any further. So as you can see, the back is touching, the front is touching, all over. Okay, this is perfect. I'm gonna leave it there. And on this side, it's out of whack. It's too much out from the back, and the toe is too far in. So we're gonna unadjust this side also. This side, I do have my bolt loose. Pretty much the big bolt that I'd use this to adjust with, loosen, it's already loose. Okay, so on this one, we need to come in about 5-6 threads. Let's take a look. Hopefully I did it the correct way. Still off. It's still off. Okay, little bit more. So I'm gonna do 2 threads more, and I think I should be able to just leave it there. Okay. There you go. Probably 1 more thread and that's it. And there you go. Make sure you lock these up when you're done. Make sure they're locked up. Okay. And make sure you put this guy to be straight, just like that. And make sure you lock up this side also. If you need to do a little bit more, you can do a little bit more. Perfect. All right, there you have it. That's how you're gonna adjust your toe in and toe out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message.